right, so we got this one done. We did one more over there. We'll complete these in a bit, but just wanted to show you the new ThinkBoard desk. Again, this is gonna last much, much longer. It's not gonna be indefinite. Our resurfacing we do, which is we haven't done in this classroom, does last significantly longer. The reason horizontal surfaces don't last as long is because stuff like this, you know, they get scratched. Put stuff on it, papers, books, chairs going up and down. Yes, that is okay to do to a ThinkBoard. It's totally fine. If your boards ever start looking like this, which they shouldn't, a little bit of rubbing alcohol takes everything right off. Don't use this on other whiteboard surfaces. Our coating is specifically designed to allow for cleaning with rubbing alcohol. But yeah, if you've got tables like this, tables that have not been converted, if you're thinking about whiteboard furniture, let us know. We can help you out. I know we just installed these, but I guarantee we'll revisit this classroom in a year from now and they'll look just the same. Also, small plug for our resurfacing business. If you have boards that look like this, whether they're melamine, porcelain, chalkboards, covered in adhesive, we can resurface boards like this. Same process, just the peel and stick film goes right over the board and you've got a brand new whiteboard just like that.